Yan na naman. Strike na naman. Malaki nga. Huwag na. What happened, brother?
Palit.
Strike. Strike ka rin. Pre, taas mo. Huwag pa side. Mapaluan mo yung mukha namin.
Lahat tayo, strike.
Strike. Pabilisan na to. Wala nang gancho.
Malaki to.
Angat agad. Pabilisan na yan.
Ano pala?
Wala mo nang gancho yan. Bitbitin mo na kung kaya.
Lalaki. Kinuha ko na. Lalaki. Ito ba? Ito. Wala na. Ito. Fly. Dali. Siya laki. Fly laki.
Ay. Saan pa sila? Diyan pa. Yan na naman. Strike na naman. Sige. Harvest ka ngayon, Kingfisher. Wala nang gadyo.
Strike.
Yan. Sige. Strike din si Master Mike. Humahatak. Sige. Yan. Oy. Lumalaban, malaki ata to malaki nga. Huwag na.
Salaol.
Dala-dala pati hasang.
Lang pag may pan. Salaol. Strike.
Guys.
Malapit na.
Bit-bitin mo na. Ay rad nyo. Kakapagod pala pag maraming huli. Ayoko na. Pahinga na ako.
Nangalakay.
Pagod.
Ayun sila Putol. Pre. Lapit ba? Ayun Marami ka na ako dito. Makakasilaw Garang ba? Wala. Garang ba? Kasama lahat? It's my start. Okay lang yan, Mike.
Ito pa sa kaliwa.
Sige, punta natin. Malayo ba, malapit?
Lapit lang, ayan lang. Ay,
Dito, kanan.
Kahit saan? Mas maganda mag-enjoy na lang tayo, may huli na tayo.
may makahuli, nandun sa bar. Tumabit sa... Kaliwa tayo.
Yeah.
Actually, that was great. I lost mine. It was nice.
You catch one. Where you leave it? I told you leap and the reel.
He was 7 minutes.
This is your first time?
Yes.
So be careful, maybe it's your first time to get accident also. Yeah. Don't think about fish. You can bring fish at home.
Ito sa kaliwa, oh. Dami.
Sige lang, marami dyan oh. Hagis na. Ano, ang daming kulo dyan oh. Oh, oh hagis. Oh, sure this one.
Yeah, sure.
Oh.
I will show it.
Oh, see? It's sure?
I told you I should show. No, he changed my lure. It's not getting. I changed it. Then I got it.
Oh, unhook.
Yan sa kaliwa, oh. Yan nasa harap.
Oh, you know. Catch here. Throw. Then retrieve faster.
Here.
Oh.
Again, another control.
Status, tahimik ang dagat. It's coming. Oh, it's a king. Oh, almost. Hey. Oh, I see. It's removed already. Oh.
Auto releases.